What's up, guys? Cody from Wildlife. We are prepping for a fishing tournament down in southern Utah, or central Utah, at Fish Lake. And just running into good old supply store at Fish Lake. They do kind of a population control of perch every year. They've got quite a few fish. They've got 4 million. They've estimated 4 million perch in that lake that are kind of pushing out a lot of those native species, so they need to do a little bit of conservation stuff. So we are going to stock up on some supplies and stuff. We are here at good old Cabela's. We're gonna go and get some lures, talk to a couple guys, and get prepped for it. Alright guys, so we talked to a few people and they're recommending that we get some little lures like this. A lot of the perch won't go for anything real super big or shiny or anything, so we're getting just real bright colors, and we'll try a few of these out and see what's working best. This is they also recommended getting spoons, which I've had a lot of success with in the past when ice fishing. So full disclosure, we are not sponsored by Lindy or any of these, but we're gonna try some of these out. We'll get some grubs and some mealworms and things like that, and then we'll start using some different things to try and catch some of these guys, so stay tuned. We made it up here, guys. Quite a few people up here already. Freaking beautiful morning. Got Caleb over here. Rest of the crew. Get some fish. Alright, ladies and gents, quick little update. We are moving fishing holes. It has been dead as a doornail all morning. I think we caught maybe 15 fish between 6 of us. I am currently leader of the losers with 0. I have caught 0 fish.
Got 1.
So we're gonna hoof it up to a different part of the lake, see if we can get into where everybody else is getting them, and come back with hopefully better news. Over and out. Little update, found the honey hole for the last hour. Got 4 perch, trout. Caleb frickin' slayed it.
I got skunked.
Yeah, not for the day.
Hey, that's right.
Just for that hole.
That's
Pretty
right.
good day. We got some GoPro footage. We'll take a picture of some fishes and post it up in there, and whoa, shit. Don't have to bleep that out. Have a good one, guys.